beautiful place in the world, not only because it's part of my constituency. I'm from here. I worked in Kraków and in Kielce, and I know the potential in life science sector of Małopolska region is one of the smart specialization in the development strategy of Małopolska region. So this potential of firms in this sector is really great. So I'm happy to be here and discuss strategy for life science sector. It's crucial to have different stakeholders from industry sector, scientists, and political area. I represent SAND committee, newly established committee in the European Parliament. We started with full legislative status since January this year, and I'm honored to chair this committee. And we are working on different strategies. We started with beating cancer plan in 2021, and now we're trying to prepare new documents based on this experience from onco area, and we are planning to establish cardiovascular strategy, neurodegenerative disease, and also mental health, which is very important now. Great atmosphere. My panel was leading by Andrzej Ryś, who comes from Małopolska region. He's a high reputable representative of so far in Commission, European Commission, and I like to meet him today, and very professional representative of industries and European institutions. It's a great occasion to discuss such important things. Oh, Kraków is a beautiful place, and with such stronger universities like Jagiellonian University, I like to be here. I have many colleagues from this city, from this region, and first of all, it's my area of my political activity. It's my constituency, so I love Kraków. Great, and everything, background, and of course the conditions of work during plenary session, panels. Everything was done excellent.
Thank you.
Thank you.